Here we go. It's 5 to 8. I'm about to go on air, and then after this I'm going to go on home as the weather's looking really good. I'm going to go on home and then I'm going to fit some new side light bulbs to my car. How exciting is that? So join me when I finish this, back on the drive working on the car. Here we go. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm now home. The sun is out. And I had a brilliant show this morning, which was great fun. Yeah, so you would have seen in the build up to this video that the plan today is to actually replace my side lights, or the side light bulbs I should say, with some of these, some LEDs. Yes, I bought these online. I did look at various ones, but these ones were recommended to me. They're fairly cheap. You get plenty in a box, so what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to turn the car around, take the headlights out, put these in. There's obviously, as it says on the back, an incorrect way and a correct way to do it. So yeah, let's get going and get fitting. So here we go. You'll have to excuse the noise. This is like urban Britain, I guess. Minute the sun comes out, somebody's doing work somewhere, construction work. No different to me doing work on my car. So the plan is, although my car's a little bit quieter at the minute, pop the bonnet, get the headlights out, remove these side lights. As you can see, they're very yellow, yes. And hopefully the ones I'm putting in that I've ordered are white. Right, so as you would have seen, I removed this top screw here, but on this side, which is located there. Now, in order to get to the side light, you've got to undo this rear bit. Now, these here are just plastic tags that you click to unlock. But as you will see, there's a tiny Torx screw there. Now, the Torx screw bit, if my memory's right, was it a T10? T10 it is, right. So that obviously goes in there, and then all that does is basically just offers a little bit of security. So I'm going to undo that and then take the back cover off for you. Right, so the torque screw is out. I've just put it there to keep it somewhere safe with the bit. And as I say, once that's unclipped, you literally lift the panel. I'll put that somewhere safe too. This is all the governors to do with the headlight. And that's the bulb you want there, the side light one there. It's a 501 capless bulb. I'm going to take it out, change the bulb for the LED, but I'm not going to put it back in because I want to make sure I've got the polarities right, because if you put it in the wrong way around, it doesn't work. Right, so in order to get the side light bulb out, you literally rotate it like that, 90 degrees, and then it should remove itself. And there we go. That's obviously not a standard one, that's going to be a silver one, but it's yellow when you look at it, so let's whip it on out. So as you would have seen, that's the original 501 that I took out, and in here, if I can do it with my fingers, is my pack. You've got to remember it's about 5 degrees at the minute. That's the pack, there they are, so let's get that open. There we go, so as you can see, these are LEDs, they're uprated, they should fit, there's plenty of room as they said. They do appear to be a fraction longer than standard, but as I say, let's go and put it in, but it can go in either way. So I'm just going to fit it in the car and then test it and see if it works. And before I put this light in, I'm going to do the same on the other side, because it's best to make sure they work. Right, so there's the locator. Let's see. Bit blurry, sorry. Right, I'm going to push that in, make sure it's square. There we go, there's the bulb, or the LED I should say, that's located in the unit correctly. Let's go and turn the side light on and just see what it does. Just come round, this side I've yet to do, and that's what that one looks like. So I'm going to put it in the car, or back in the lens I should say, and then have a look. Right, so that's back in the light unit. As you can see, the lights lenses need a damn good polish again, but yeah, that's a white light compared to the original that's like that. It's a huge difference, but let's do the same on the other side and then obviously see and make sure I've got them around the right way. There you go. I've not put it back in the unit yet, but that one's working and that one's working, so all seems to be good. So now all I've got to do is put them back in the unit, give this plug a bit of a wiggle, as you would have seen in a previous video, put the backs on, and yeah, test them out. But I think what I'm going to do is put the bulb back in the unit, start the car, and make sure it doesn't mess up with the main beams and dip beams and all the rest of the stuff. There we go. That's that one done. I've not secured this one in yet, but that's that one done as well. Let's go and turn the hazard lights off. Car's filthy. No messages on the dash other than the doors open. Let's put dip beam on. Dipped over the chair, yep, dipped. Let's put it down to the side lights. So move that because it's rattling. Side white light. And side white light. Much better, lovely and white and bright. Right, let's put it all back together. Obviously I've still got to wiggle this plug, so something's not 100% right, but when I come back it should all be done. There we go, all back together. Sun's actually come out and it's catching the corner, but you can see the difference. that the LEDs make. Just make it white. I was tired of the yellow. Perhaps I should do a nighttime shot, but yeah, I'm impressed for that. And as I say, they were like $10.99, $12.99 for a packet of 10, so I may do the interior ones. I don't know. I mean, I don't have the interior light on. Very rarely open the back of the car when I do. Perhaps I could do the rear number plate ones as well, but why advertise your number plate, right? Why indeed? Yeah. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video, I think. As per usual, thanks for watching. Again, it's a short one, but it's January the 5th, my day off from work. Not my day off from the studio. If you ever do want to listen to my radio show, it's, if you look up the website address, www.purbeccoast.com, and click on the play button, and you can listen to me on a Friday morning, although I'm actually on Monday morning next week and Friday morning, so double bubble, yeah, for all those people that hate me. Great. Well, as I say, give me a cheeky like, and thanks for watching.